Look, I'm trying to do a brilliant puppet show.
So what am I supposed to do?
You did this to me twice. You've done this to me too many times. Well, it's different.
So, what are you going to do about it?
This woman is worse than Miss Peggy. Wouldn't you agree?
Ladies and gentlemen, children of all ages, boys as well, even more. A great puppet show!
A lot of times you wonder if you see a puppet in the same shot as a puppeteer. Like I've seen a lot of puppets on terror theater monster movies. I'm not a ventriloquist. I don't try to hide the fact my voice is. The truth of the matter is that these puppets are very interesting to look at, and what even notices what these characters are doing. Yep, look at that. And it's all cheating because he's looking at the camera. He's not even looking at what I'm doing, and just now look at him because we do this stuff in a single. And now it's time for everybody's favorite reunion show, Here Is Your Life. And here's your Life host, Mark Zero.
Thank you, everybody. Yes, and welcome to Here Is Your Life. Tonight we are going to celebrate the life of someone you all know and love, a loaf of bread.
Ta-da!
Shh. Loaf of bread should be here any minute. She thinks we ordered her because we really wanted bread for a club sandwich, but we are really going to do her life. Hark, I may be her now. Come in.
I'm here to deliver a loaf of bread, and wait a minute, is this Here Your Life? Am I on TV? I'm on.
Quiet, please, out.
Oh.
All right, now here we go. Excuse me, loaf of bread.
Yes? How many slices do you want?
I don't want any slices. All I want to say is, loaf of bread, here is your life.
No kidding? I don't believe it. Aren't you hungry?
No, I'm not. We brought you here so that we could celebrate your wonderful life. And what a wonderful life it was. Now let's meet some of the important people and things in your life who help make you the way you are. Listen to this voice.
I remember you, loaf of bread.
Your dad's a recipe in my cookbook.
Oh no, you don't mean...
Yes, I do. All the way from the bakery down the street, Betsy the baker.
Okay.
Here we are. Oh, Betsy, I'm so glad to see you. Hi there, Loaf. I'm so glad to see you, too.
Tell us, Betsy, what was loaf of bread like way back then?
Just see for yourself, boy. He was an adorable little recipe.
Oh, yes, indeed, she was. Now, Betsy, stand back as we listen to these voices from Loaf of Bread's past.
Loaf of bread.
Moo!
I grow the wheat into flour.
Oh, no. You don't mean...
Yes, I do. It's Clover Town Farmer Fuller.
Oh, I'm so glad to see you, too.
We are, too. Oh, yeah.
Yes, of course. Now tell us, how did you make Loaf of Bread the bread she is today?
Well, I gave some milk. And I grew wheat and brought it to flour for the dough.
But it takes more than that to make a loaf of bread. Do you recognize these voices?
Hi, loaf of bread. Without me, your dough wouldn't rise.
You needed me to make the dough also.
I don't believe it. You still love me.
Yes, I do. It's Yolanda Yeast and Randy Raincloud.
Ta-da!
Oh, Yolanda and Randy, I'm so glad to see the both of you.
We're so happy to see you too.
Now tell us, you two, how did you help to make loaf of bread to Brescia today?
I helped make the dough rise.
I made the dough stick together with my water.
That's right. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for all of you.
Isn't that wonderful, audience?
Yay!
Yes, loaf of bread, you were baked by Betsy the baker, and then you sat on the baker's shelf, and you were happy with all the other loaves of bread, especially when I called Betsy the baker
Hey,
and ordered a loaf of bread for this show. So now, instead of being used for sandwiches, you are going to have a great party with all of your friends here in our studio.
Oh, thank you. I really appreciate it. I'm so glad to have all my friends back in my life.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's it. Tune in again next time for another exciting episode of Here Is Your Life. This is Morg Zero saying so long for now.
alright, cut. Now in time for the Emmy Awards.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is an honor for me to be here as the host and hostess of the Emmy Awards.
Say, actually, we're supposed to be reading the rules.
Actually, we're supposed to be reading the rules.
You are putting me on.
Say,
No, I'm not.
no.
Boring.
No, just move them off stage. You say, come on, we have to go.
Come on, we have to go now.
No.
Well, we're finished.
I'm not letting us look at a close up. Cut him!
What am I supposed to move?
Just try to get them off stage. Try to get her out.
Oh! What am I supposed to tell her?
Come on, move. Out.
Move it!
We're the
Say, just move the fat.
Move the fat! Of course, you know, this means war.
Alright, good.
Hey, you. I'm talking to you. Have you seen Samsardi? He's a little guy with bushy hair wearing a black hat. Have you seen him? I don't know what he is. He's A-well, he's A-okay, he's not a vegetable, and he's not a mineral. So that's 2 down. He must be an animal. He's furry and kind of brownish, not dark brownish, light brownish. You know, kind of tan. Kind of the same color that coffee is. When you leave it sitting in a pot all day with the heat turned off, then heat it up in the microwave, and then put in the milk. It's not a yellowy tan, it's more of grayish tan.
But I prefer to be thought of as beige.
Oh my gosh.
Gesundheit.
You surprised me.
Is it your birthday?
No, it's not my birthday.
Most people like surprises on their birthdays.
Sincerely, I've been looking all over for you. You have to help me start my show.
You mean that really ridiculous travesty against one of the greatest authors in the English language ever produced?
No, I mean my one puppet work in progress. Sonata in Shakespeare.
That's what I said. It's ridiculous.
No, it isn't. It's delightful. It's smashing. It's genius. It's me. It's me, Mark Zero. Interpreting the unparalleled poetry and the dramatic excellence of William Shakespeare. Tragedy, comedy, suspense, romance, thrills of a lifetime. It's sorry. Now where did he
Go.
go?
I'm right here.
Oh my gosh.